Connect with NearMax and enjoy the superior sound quality.
I am showing a video on how to repair a Bluetooth speaker with a charging complaint. If you connect the charger in this music system, the voltage is not called to the socket where the battery is connected. Also, the charging indicator is not lit. The reason for this is that when I opened the music system, I saw that the charging IC in it was burnt out. The video is prepared after I removed it and made it clean. If you have a Bluetooth speaker that has been complained about, you can repair it using a 3.7 volt battery charging module as I have shown in this video.
Connect with NearMax and enjoy. Connect with NearMax and enjoy.